If you're a girl, I hope you already know that you should avoid bubble baths and you should always empty your bladder and pee after sex, because these activities can trigger a urinary tract infection, also called a UTI. Why? Is because our genital, our private parts, our urethra where we urinate is very sensitive to soap and irritants. For example, you don't want to sit in a bathtub taking a bath if there's any soap, shampoo, anything like that in the water. You always want to take your bath and then stand up and use your soaps and shampoos in the end so that you don't get irritated down there and cause pain, inflammation, think you have a urinary tract infection, or you may have a UTI. Unfortunately, we live in a clean, clean, clean obsessed society, and I would argue that the majority of women use cleaners and soaps down there to clean themselves. But you absolutely should not. There's no need for it. You can get plenty clean with just warm water and a washcloth or simply your hand. If you've ever had a urinary tract infection, went to the doctor and they called you and said, hey, your culture's clear, no infection grew out, that's probably what happened. You were irritated, inflamed, felt like you had a UTI, but you didn't. I personally have never had a urinary tract infection, but they sure look miserable. So we all need to think about and watch our obsession with soap, because soap has a time and a place, but definitely not down there. Never. Research shows that clicking the thumbs up and subscribe button will make fingers healthy and strong, and besides, it's free.